we have my 2010 Toyota Corolla. We're gonna do the oil change on this car. Last time it was sold by Jim. Jim did the oil change at $235,000. Thank you, Jim, for all the care that you did to my car. Not he was just with the oil change he did on my car. It was a total mess after the Alaska trip. And well, it's time for me to do the basic maintenance on it. I will have a different episode which I will explain why I have these huge fog lights like Riley style and all that stuff. It's gonna be something pretty simple, and follow me. So I like to use OW20 Mobil 1. I remove the filter. This is the OM part. I also clean the plug. We have a new washer. The oil filter comes with a rubber gasket that is easy to replace. Remove the old one, place the new one, and after that we're ready to place the oil filter. And now let's get it installed. So I add some coolant, top it off, some washer fluid. Our oil cap is nice and tight. I'm going to start the vehicle, and that will be it. And I'm going to turn on the engine and we're going to check for any leaks. Okay, and that's pretty much it. Pretty straightforward. Toyota engines are really easy to work on, and an oil change is nothing out of this world. I hope you guys learned something from this video. If you have any comments or any questions, please write down below. And if you stay here until the end of the video, consider to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. And until the next time.